Ever wondered how chefs masterfully cut vegetables? It's all in the technique, the rhythm, and the tools. Today, delve into the art of vegetable cutting, a skill that can turn even the humblest of vegetables into a gourmet masterpiece. Picture this. A chef stands at a counter, knife in hand. The first step always is to secure the cutting board. A damp cloth or non-slip mat beneath the board ensures it stays in place. No need for any mishaps in our kitchen. Next comes the knife. A chef's best friend, a sharp knife is paramount. It should glide through the vegetable with ease, not crush or bruise it. Honing the blade before each use maintains its edge and ensures precision with every cut. The grip matters too. The handle nestles in the palm, the thumb and index finger grasping the blade's base, offering control and stability. It's a dance, a partnership between the chef and their tool. Now, on to the vegetables. Always wash them first, then pat dry. Wet vegetables can be slippery and we want them stable and ready for their transformation. Peel if necessary, then chop off the ends. For round vegetables, slice a bit off one side to create a flat base. It helps in keeping the vegetable stable. For longer vegetables like cucumber or carrot, cut them in half for easier handling. Now we're ready for the main event, the cutting itself. There are various cuts to choose from. The dice, the julienne, the chiffonade. Each has its own rhythm, its own flair. The dice, it's all about squares. Start by slicing the vegetable lengthwise. Lay the slices flat, then cut lengthwise again. Finally, cut crosswise and voila, a perfect dice. The julienne, a bit more finesse here. Cut the vegetable into 2.5-inch lengths, then slice each length into thin planks. Stack the planks, then slice again. The result? Elegant matchstick-like strips. The chiffonade, reserved for leafy greens. Stack the leaves, roll them tightly, then slice crosswise. Unfurl to reveal delicate ribbons. Each cut has its own purpose, its own beauty. They affect not just the dish's appearance, but also its cooking time and taste. To recap, mastering vegetable cutting involves several steps. Secure the cutting board, choose a sharp knife, and hold it correctly. Prepare the vegetables by washing, peeling, and creating a stable base. Then, choose the desired cut and get to work. Whether it's a dice, a julienne, or a chiffonade, each cut brings its own charm to the table. Remember, practice makes perfect. So get into the kitchen, grab those vegetables, and start slicing. With time and patience, anyone can cut vegetables like a chef. It's not just a skill, it's an art that brings joy to cooking and beauty to everyday meals.